Hello and welcome to the spooky side of crochet decor. Today I'm going to show you how to whip up these fun Halloween-inspired spiral coasters, perfect for last-minute decor or just bringing a bit of Beetlejuice vibes to your home. For these coasters, I'm going with the classic black and white spiral with a green scalloped edging around. I'm using a 4mm crochet hook, and I have stitch markers, a yarn needle, and scissors nearby. Before you begin, you'll want to decide which color you're going to start with, and in this case, I'm going to start with white. This pattern is worked in continuous rounds, so don't turn or join at the end of the round. Round 1. Starting with white. In a magic ring, chain 1, and it does not count as a stitch. And into the ring, make a single crochet, a half double crochet, and 4 double crochets. Tighten the magic ring just a little bit, but not all the way because we still need to add the rest of the stitches. Pull the working loop up and remove the hook. Now I'm going to join the black yarn and do the same into the ring. Chain 1, again it does not count as a stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, and 4 double crochets. And I'm making sure to continue to carry the white yarn tail because I'm going to need it to fully close the magic ring later. This creates 6 stitches in white and 6 stitches in black, for a total of 12 stitches around. Pull the working loop up and remove the hook. Make sure the loop is long enough so it doesn't start to unravel. Tighten the magic ring by tugging on both yarn tails, but be careful not to pull so tight that you lose the single crochet stitches that you started with. Now we're going to continue to alternate between the 2 working yarn loops. Round 2. Insert the hook back into the white working loop and work 2 double crochets into each stitch. This is a double crochet increase, and repeat this until you reach the black working loop. You'll have 12 white stitches. Place the stitch marker on the last work stitch so you know this is where white ends. Insert the hook back into the black yarn loop and work double crochet increases into the first 6 stitches from the first round. These are the first 6 stitches in white. There will be 12 black stitches, so at the end there will be 24 stitches altogether. And place a stitch marker on the last worked stitch. Pull the working loop up and remember to make sure it's not going to unravel while you're working with the other yarn. Insert the hook back into the white yarn loop and we'll begin round 3. With white yarn, double crochet increase in the first stitch and double crochet in the next stitch. And I'm going to repeat that sequence until I get to the next stitch marker. Insert the hook back into the black yarn loop. And now with black, I'm going to repeat the same thing. Double crochet increase in the first stitch and double crochet in the next stitch, and I will repeat that until I get to the next marker. There will be 18 stitches in each yarn, or 36 in total. And now I'm going to switch back to white, and for round 4, I'm going to double crochet increase in the first stitch and double crochet into the next 2 stitches. And I'm going to repeat that until I get to the next stitch marker. Next, I'm going to insert the hook back into the black yarn loop, and I'm going to repeat that again. Double crochet increase in the first stitch and double crochet into the next 2 stitches, and I will repeat that until the next stitch marker. There will be 24 stitches in each yarn, or 48 in total. If you want to make your spiral larger, you can continue increasing in each round, or you can move on to round 5 to finish. In round 5, for each color, double crochet in the next 2 stitches, half double crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, and slip stitch in the next stitch. Now cut the yarn and weave in the ends. With the green yarn, I'm going to join it into any stitch from either color. To join, you can pull a loop through and chain 1, it does not count as a stitch, or you can make a slip knot and use a standing single crochet. And then I'll begin round 6. Since I already have my single crochet, I'm going to skip 1 stitch and work 5 double crochets into the next stitch. Once I have my 5 double crochets, I'm going to skip 1 stitch and work a single crochet in the next stitch. And I'm going to repeat that. Skip 1 stitch and work 5 double crochets in the next stitch. Then I'll skip a stitch and work a single crochet in the next stitch. I'm going to repeat that, and at the end of this round, I'll slip stitch to join. Now I'm just going to cut the yarn and weave in the ends. And that's it. It's super simple, right? You can definitely play around with the colors with these coasters. I think these are pretty fun. You can make them in solid colors as well. Also experiment with different yarn types and hook sizes. These are pretty customizable, I think, and very quick and easy to make. Very relaxing too. So I hope you had fun making these spooky spiral coasters with me. If you want more Halloween crochet ideas, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and check out the Pops to Milk crochet blog for more details. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.